sentence is exclamatory. This sentence is about we. So we is the subject because it is what a sentence is about. This sentence tells us that we love. So love is the predicate because it is what the sentence tells us about we. It is a predicate verb because it shows action. There are no linking verbs because predicate verbs do not need linking verbs. Grandparents tells us who or what we love. So grandparents is an objective element because it completes the meaning of the action verb. It is a direct object because it tells us who or what we love. Our tells us which grandparents. So our is an adjectival element because it modifies a noun. It is an adjective.